In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to add frequently asked questions in WordPress to your blog post. Yeah, so as you see here, after the article, if you come to the bottom, you see frequently asked questions. Question 1, then the answer, question 2, and the answer in that order. How do you add that? So first of all, to be able to add that, come to your WordPress admin dashboard and then go to your posts. Go to your posts. Go to your post. Then make sure that you select the post that you want to add the frequently asked questions to. So for example, this is the one I want to add the frequently asked questions to. So you click on edit and open it in a new tab. Now when you open, scroll to the bottom. Scroll to the bottom. Now you can do this one using two SEO tools. One of them is what we call Use SEO, and the other one is what we call Rank Math. So I am using Use SEO, and I recommend you use same. So you come and install this plugin. If you don't know how to install a plugin, just come here and click on Add Plugin, then search for Use SEO. It will come, you install and activate it. Okay, so after that is done, when you try to open or edit the blog post again, it will open you to this particular interface. So when you come here, come to the place where you want to add the frequently asked questions. So for example, I want to add it below this line. So I've come to click here, and then I'll click enter so that it will create some space for me. Now the space has been created. So you now come and click on the plus button, and then you type use FAQ. Okay, so you see it comes. So you drag it and drop it where you want it to be. So it has added it, and it is normally in this format. They will ask you to enter the question and the answer. So I'm going to do that. So I'll copy this question. So I'll add the first question. I've pasted the question. Then you go to question, you go to add question, then you can add your question to add the answer to that question. So you do like that and add all of them. When you are done, you click on save, and when you go to a view page, it is just going to show exactly the way you want it. So I've added all of them, and I'm going to save it. It's been updated. So let's look at the new post. So if you come, you see that all the frequently asked questions are added. Now if we want to add something here, a headline, okay, you can just come here, and then to add something here that will make it the heading for this one. So that one, you can come here and then add a heading, then name it what? Frequently asked questions. So that is how you can add frequently asked questions to your blog posts in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.